Hey guys, so I look crazy right now. I'm in my living room, but I'm taking pictures of these little glitters I got. I forgot to show you all of them, I think. But I kind of like put them into sets. Like I have a blue set, I have a pink set, I have a neutral set, and then I have like kind of like the essentials. Ignore my dog. Essentials set. But I'm like at the front door. I'm waiting for UPS so I don't miss them. But right now we're on the floor. I got a little white poster board from Dollar Tree and I'm taking the pictures. I'll insert them soon. I'll see, that's why I am always in my room when I record my videos. But we are waiting for UPS and then we're going to open all these new lashes I have coming today. My lashes just came in. We're going to open them on camera, you guys. We're going to name them on camera. I'm going to give you all a few business updates and all of that. We have a lot to talk about, really. But before we get into this video, I'm going to ask that you all remember to subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Follow my lash company, Casino Lashes. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Madam Brittany. And let's go ahead and get into this video, you guys. So let's go ahead and open this box. So this time I decided to just order Mink Lashes, you guys, from my normal vendor. Well, I actually have two vendors now, you guys. One was my original vendor where I got my boxes from. We have some boxes to fold too for these lashes. That's when we're gonna do most of our chit-chatting. And then I have a vendor, I just am in love with this vendor's Mink Lashes. Like, they are like wispy. These are lashes I go crazy for and all of that. I just absolutely love them. I just like picked out the names and stuff. So like usually I pick out the names before and then I look at the lashes and see which one kind of speaks to that name, which one tells me it's that name, all of that. So my vendor stuff got here in about 5 days-ish. Thought it was gonna get here sooner, but that's okay. It was supposed to get here so I could release our palettes, my first palette ever, the payout palette. Make sure to check it out. On the same day, but I had to release the palette sooner because I had already told everybody I was releasing it and I didn't want to look like a liar, you guys. So here's the box, you guys. We got all the lashes. I actually asked them to use white trays this time, so I always use white trays, but last time I had them put them on clear and then I went through the labor of transferring every pair of lash to a white tray, so that was like so much work, you guys. So I'm glad that I was able to get them to just do white. All you gotta do is ask for it. Remember, your vendor works for you. Just tell them what you want and they're supposed to do it. But guys, these lashes are so gorgeous. Like, they have some of the best quality lashes. I'm gonna take them all out and then we're gonna look at them together. So we can all really see, because I don't want to like ruin the surprise for myself, so y'all can get my real reaction and all of that. But let's take all these out. Last time they put every lash inside of my OPP bags. So these are cellophane or OPP bags. Put them in, cover each like lash with those all the time. Like last time they had the bags like right over this thing and then they had a sticker of the catalog number on it. So of course I don't want my customers to know the catalog numbers and for it to look like that, and I keep it in the little card boxes you all know I have. So I had to take them all out and it was a lot of work last time. This time it should be a little easier. So let's see how many styles I have. Some 25 millimeters, some normal. These are gorgeous, y'all. Like, I think I will do a separate video where I try them on, because I think I'm gonna be in love with these and I'm gonna want to keep some for myself. I usually don't get to keep many for myself, but I think I'm going to want to this time. So I got a lot of different styles. I think I got maybe okay, so all of them are out of the box now, you guys. I think I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 styles, you guys. So we got a lot to do. We have a lot to do, you guys. Okay, so here's my eyelash book. This is where I usually like this is where I write down all of my ideas and all of that stuff. So I actually picked out the names I want to do, and I already like separated. I already put the names that I know I reordered. So let's go ahead and go through the ones I reordered first. So, okay, so the first one I reordered, you all kind of know this style already. It is super, it like got so many likes on Instagram. So this is Jackpot. It like, a lot of people don't like the space, but when you actually put these on, like, you don't see the space. You only see how wispy that lash is. Like, this vendor's lashes are like crazy wispy, you guys. I love this style. This is Jackpot. I already know that by heart. Ooh, that's a new style. Hold on. We gotta wait on that one. That is a new one. Okay, this one also like a lot of people love. So both of these are 25 millimeter. Like, they catch the eye on like Instagram, I feel like, but personally to wear them all the time, I don't know. But this is Flamingo. You all may remember this. I decided to reorder Flamingo. I love this one. Super wispy. Like, they just like, this vendor is legit. This is why I had to switch vendors for my Mink Lashes, because I just wasn't getting the wispiness from my last vendor whatsoever. I also reordered, but I reordered Cutthroat. Cutthroat is like insanely wispy, super dramatic. Well, it's not like dramatic, it's shorter. It's like a normal length, but the wispiness is like insane on this to where it scares some people. But this is like my lash. I love this one. This is a perfect going out lash. I've been working all day, you guys. Like, I've been working all day. Like, we had glitters. I will insert that clip if I haven't already. We had glitters come in and stuff. I put them on the site. Been organizing like just like where I keep all of my stuff. Like, it's not like the best setup, but it's what I have, you guys. So been working on all of that today, and that was like a lot of work. So, and now I'm going to take these product pictures and all of that, put them in their boxes today, and try to just have it all on the site today so I can focus more on the social media aspect of everything. Okay, let me see. What's the next one I reordered? We haven't even gotten to the new styles. So, I told y'all I was going to really chit chat with y'all later. But, okay, this style is Bellagio. It's like really wispy, you guys. I'm going to insert the clip if I remember. If I still have it in my phone, I'll insert it on the screen. But these are like really like very natural, but it's wispy, you guys, super wispy. So, y'all, I'm so excited because, so have y'all been peeping? I don't know if it's just me, but have y'all been peeping? Everybody's going to Vegas lately. Like, and I'm not like, everybody, all of a sudden everybody want to go to Vegas. I'm not like that. I'm like, oh my God, this is really exciting because it's like all of a sudden all these celebrities are having casino themed parties and all of this stuff. Like, I know, I saw Drake had one. I remember like QC, like from the Atlanta record label, if y'all don't know. He had a casino birthday party like last year or something. But it's just, it makes me really excited because that means my theme is legit. It's like, it's a great time to have it right now. I just need like more awareness and all of that. But really, I got into this tangent because I'm supposed to go to Vegas soon. We're going to see if that works out. I hope so with Corona. But I'm supposed to stay at the Bellagio, so I'm really excited. And that pier is called Bellagio. So I've never been to Vegas. So this is a tax write-off, you guys. This is a tax write-off. When I really learn about taxes, then I will give you all like a whole taxes type video. But that's a tax write-off because that's literally 100% of my company, you guys. So we'll talk about that in a little bit. Let's just hope it all works out. What else? So City of Dreams. This one is another one Instagram really liked. City of Dreams. I really like this one too. Super wispy, like every pair. Wispy, wispy, wispy. This is Ace of Hearts. This is the one I'm wearing right now, you guys. Ace of Hearts. I love, love, love this one. I tried to switch for a second, but I went back to these, even though I had these on for like a while, probably 2 months now. And I wear lashes like every day. These are Ace of Hearts, and I love, love, love them. So like one thing I noticed, so usually, let me show y'all. This is like, I have my old vendor used like this matte type white tray. And then this one uses glossy. It's like, this one is a little bit bigger and has a little more space than this one. So it looks like, so how can I explain this? So when I put these on this tray, they look shorter than they look on this tray. Like they look kind of long looking at them, but when I have it on that tray, it's not that long. Okay, so now we're moving on to the new styles, and this is where the naming comes in, you guys. So this is like, when I'm working things out and talking to my vendor, this is how my paper looks, you guys. I have like the worst handwriting ever, if you all can see it. But I understand it sometimes. And that's all that matters. Maybe we won't fold boxes and I'll just talk to you all. But okay, so the new names I have, I don't know if I'll use them all, is Payday, 5 on it, Full House, Card Shark, Gold Chip, Wager, Buy-In, Bad Beat, Big Red, Code Call, and Counterfeit. So let's see. I'm so excited to take these pictures, put them up on the site. I just want it there. And then like, I'm just trying to focus on marketing and all that stuff. I wanted like a dramatic style. So I feel like this camera is not doing justice to these lashes the way they actually look. But these remind me of my bankroll lashes I used to have, but just a better version. So actually I think I want to rename these bankroll. So now we got to move on. This is a super duper duper dramatic pair, you guys. I love the lashes that have like a variation of length like this. So it like these lashes, let me see if I don't want to knock my camera down, but if I focus on here, y'all, like this is how the lash looks. Pretty dramatic. See, how do we feel about this one? Bad beat. I think I feel bad beat for these. I'm just gonna write that down. These don't look 25 millimeter to me at all, but these are super cute, especially for like a night out or something. And they have the wispiness. Everything's wispy, you guys. Everything is wispy. I'm feeling a little bit of Code Call for these. We'll do Code Call. And what number was these? Okay. And then this is the last 25 millimeter pair I have. These also look like a pair I used to have. So it gets kind of hard if I want to rename it and introduce it as something else. But these aren't as dramatic, I don't think. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep these as Joker because I had Joker last time. Okay, so these are super dramatic. Let me do these. So they're not like dramatic, but super wispy. Let me show you all these. I love this. Now, this may be a cute pair I want to put on. So look, so this is like a shorter natural lash, but when you look, it has like a lot of wisp over there. Okay, so these are giving the girls Gold Chip for these. They're not dramatic, but they are super wispy. Look at the side over there. These are a good, like, natural, but not too natural kind of lash. So let's see. Yeah, these can be buy-in. And these, I forgot how much I really like the name Card Shark I have on here. So this one will be Card. Oh my God. Let me show y'all these. Hold on. Let's get a little close. Let's get a little close. Y'all, these are insane. Like, insane. Like, imagine if this was focused, you guys. This is like insane. Oh my goodness. This is crazy. Like, it's so wispy. That's why I was thinking it was similar to Cutthroat I had last time. And I was trying to see where these, like, did they switch the numbers or something? But these are insane, you guys. So these will be Card Shark. And now we only have 2 left. Okay, these aren't, like, just crazy. It looks similar to one of the pairs I've actually already showed you. I'm a little close. But it looks like, Has all the wispiness, all the wispiness. So how are we feeling for this one? How are we feeling? We are feeling a little bit of, we can do payday for these. Like, it usually takes me about maybe 2 to 3 days to learn the names of them by heart. And when I get it down, I got it down. Like, I can tell you. But I really don't know the names like the first few days at all. I just always have to look back at my book. Okay, so this is the last pair. I guess I will go ahead and use... Oh, I didn't use Full House. You know what? The one I named Bankroll, the first one we named, I'm going to change that name to Full House because it was a dramatic one. So we're going to do that one for Full House. This one we will do... We'll do Counterfeit. Okay, bam. So we have all of them named. So I'm going to be taking product pictures for the rest of the day, trying to get these up before the end of the night on the site. Oh, that's one thing I really wanted to talk about that Shopify did, that I am in love with Shopify, you guys. I am in love with Shopify. So if you all don't know, I'm a Shopify affiliate, which is like the website host I use or whatever. So use my link in the description box if you aren't with Shopify yet. You get a free trial, but you guys, so you all know when you shop online and you always think like, okay, if something is sold out, then just remove it from the website. Well, like, you would have to delete the item if you wanted to remove it from the website. And let's say you get it back in stock. So then you would have to redo the description, re-upload the product pictures, blah, blah, blah. So now I wondered why they didn't do this like so long ago. They have like a little active or deactivate a product. So then it won't show if it's deactivated. So I'm so happy they finally put that in. So I can actually release everything when I want to release it. I could have it on my site and let's say, okay, at 10, I want to release all my lashes. So at first I would be releasing stuff like, okay, this uploaded at 10, this uploaded at 10 and 30 seconds, you know, like it would take me because I would be doing everything manually, but I could activate all the products at 10 if I wanted to release something at 10. I'm glad they added that, so I'm going to be doing that. But I have like so many ideas for my brand right now, and it's like, it's all in here and it's all like jumbled. So I really need to just sit down, write it all out, draw it out. Like usually I like to draw things for my boxes and all of that. So I really need to be doing that. Maybe we could do some kind of brainstorming video type thing. I don't know how that will work, but we could do that. But let me know if you all have any like video suggestions or anything like that. I'm just so excited and optimistic about the future of my brand and what have you. Let me know if you all have any video suggestions, any questions, and all of that. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.